So after the success of the Oracy projects that we ran with Year 9 and Year 10 in the previous year, we decided to roll out a similar Oracy project during PDC for tutors to deliver to tutees. We focused on Year 7 as we wanted to use the scheme to help them get to know each other, to help them realise that they had a voice and that we wanted to listen to them and learn about what their passions were. We aimed to give them opportunities to develop their collaborative skills, their listening skills, as well as those all-important speaking skills, which eventually they demonstrated on a speech that they gave to their tutor group.
The Oracy project was really successful with our tutor group. The pupils seemed to really enjoy doing it. We gave them some ideas about what they could use in their speeches, but they enjoyed coming up with their ideas. They discussed them beforehand with each other, and then we worked on just developing the start of the speeches and trying to get them to think about those 4 strands of Oracy. And we found this worked really well if they gave their speeches, or the start of it at least, and then we asked the rest of the class to feedback with positives and also suggest some improvements. And we found that really engaged the whole class in what we were doing, and it really did help the children improve their speeches. And they were just really good at listening to each other, and they really seemed to get those 4 strands of Oracy, and it helped them all to then build better speeches.
Have you ever wanted to achieve something? Children have more pleasure in sitting in front of their TV screens and then exercising, enjoying the beauty of our earth.
Have we become an image-obsessed society, and to what extent has media changed our perception of beauty?
To begin the Tutor Time project, pupils attended a whole year group assembly where they were inspired by some of our winners from previous projects.
The reason why my speech was inspirational, because the topic of my speech was self-confidence, and we wanted the younger years to have that confidence in them, which is very essential and will be very helpful in their future life, and especially the practical life to come.
At the start of the project, Rafiq and I went to the assembly to give a speech to the Year 7s, and this also helped to inspire them before they started their own, journey. And it was amazing because we were able to let them understand and see and feel what a good speech looks like and what it sounds like.
Following the assembly, pupils were fired up to develop their own speeches on what they felt passionate about.
Being part of this project really gave us an opportunity to, as tutors, to reinforce how to be kind, nice to each other, how to be a good listener, and how to give positive feedbacks. We have quite a few EAL students in our tutor group, and that was an opportunity for all of them to try and build up their self-esteem and talk in front of other students.
At the end of the Oracy project and tutor times, pupils performed to their peers, and eventually the tutors came to a decision about which pupils were the best or the standout pupils in their tutor group, as these pupils would go forward to take part in a workshop with a professional public speaker. A few weeks after the tutor group project, the winners from each tutor group attended a professional public speaking workshop with Russell, who had done some amazing workshops with pupils in Year 9 and Year 10 in the previous year. At the end of the workshops, pupils delivered some amazing speeches, and we really were blown away.
You are a brick wall. You don't let anything get past you. If you want to be a daredevil, then be a daredevil. Is that fair? Is it? No, it isn't. Organisations like Kick It Out are sorting this out, and we need to help.
It was so difficult to identify winners, but after some deliberation we did get to our final top 3 with 3 further pupils who were highly commended, who we're hoping will deliver part of an assembly at the end of the summer term.